So the next thing we're trying to do is to get the ball to move. We want the ball to move towards the paddle when you start the game. And we want also, just like we want the paddle to start in the center position at the beginning of the game, we want the ball to start in the center of the screen at the beginning of the game. So the first thing we need to do is bring out the when green flag is clicked from that. Remember, that was in the events palette of blocks. Then we're going to use motion again, just like we did with the paddle. We're going to go to X, Y. But remember, the exact middle of the screen is X equals 0 and Y equals 0. So let's change both of those. So at the beginning of the game, it will go right to the center. And then the last thing we want to do is to go towards the paddle at the beginning of the game. So this direction is 90 degrees. There's 360 degrees in a circle. The top is either 0 or 360. To the right, if something's facing right, it's 90. Facing down, it's 180. Facing this way is 270. You could also do it in negative degrees. So it's positive 90 if you're going to the right, and it's negative 90 if you're going to the left. So what we want to do is face this direction, which is 90. So point in direction 90. You can choose which of the major directions you want right there. So when this starts, let's see if it works. We didn't tell it to move yet. So what we want it to do is we also want it to move. So we want it to move in the direction it's facing. So let's say we move it 20 steps. Now I'll try. Yes! The only problem is it doesn't keep moving. Well, the next step will tell you how to keep it moving.